Ladies and gentlemen, welcome to the special edition Singham Collection launch of police watches, exclusively licensed in India by Titan Company Limited. I'm your host, Chaitanya Rathi. Police Watches is the fashion time partner of the movie Singham Returns, releasing on the 15th of August 2014. That is the coming Friday. To give us more information about this exciting association of Titan Company Limited and Police Watches and Singham Returns, I would like to invite Mr. H.G. Raghunath, CEO of Titan Watches and Accessories Division of Titan Company Limited, to please come up and address the guests.
Good evening. Thank you for coming. It's a wonderful event in the watches and accessory division for Titan. I just want to introduce to start with. It's a very important occasion today. I would like to explain to you at some point of time what is the occasion, but let's go through what we have in our mind to explain to you. This is Titan Industries for all of you. Recently, the name changed to Titan Company Limited.
I would like to welcome you first of all to this great event and thank you very much for coming here and honoring this event. I would not take much of your time. Just to take it from what Arun said and Mr. Raghunath said, that today Police has been a great success. It's a lifestyle brand which covers all the product categories and all the segments. And today as watches, we are present in more than 76 countries across the world. As we see here, right from Japan to Jamaica and from North America to New Zealand. And now we come to India, which is the second largest populated country across the globe. And I think it's a great potential for us to launch this brand in India with partnership with Titan, which has a great relationship, as Mr. Raghunath said, with the retail partners, their own retail network, and a fantastic dealer distribution network as well. And hence, the choice with the Tata Group, which is Titan Company, I would say, it was Titan Industries before, that we have associated ourselves. It gives us a great pleasure, and it is going to be a great partnership to be a successful brand in this country, which represents, of course, an attitude by itself. It is a daredevil attitude, it is an unconventional attitude, it has a macho attitude, and it's a bold and daring attitude, which I'm sure, with the association of the movie Singham Returns, is going to be a great launch pad for this brand. And I take this opportunity to thank you everybody. Thank you very much, and thanks to Titan Company.
Ladies and gentlemen, please welcome with a big round of applause Ajay Devgan and Kareena Kapoor Khan. Ajay, how important are watches to you? Are you a watch collector? Do you like watches?
Yeah, I love watches.
You do? We've seen you wearing the police watches in your stunts in the movie. We can see that in the trailer. How did you like the collection?
I think it's fabulous. I mean, I hadn't seen much about police watches earlier, but when I saw the collection, I really liked it. And it connected very well with our film, and throughout the film, we've worn police watches, all of us.
Ajay, we've heard you're very particular about dressing up. When you would wear the uniform, you were very particular. So do you think the watch completed your uniform?
Yes, it did. It did. It complemented the uniform.
All right. Kareena, how important are watches for you? Do you think it adds to the glam quotient or overall personality of a person wearing the watch?
Well, yeah, I think apart from being punctual, it's also very glamorous to wear a watch. And I love watches. In fact, Saif has a collection of over 100 watches.
You love watches and he has a collection.
He gives me one every month.
All right, so you are known to be the fashion power couple of Bollywood, Saif and you. So do you all indulge a lot, very often in watches?
Well, I'm hoping I'm going to get a free watch today, and I've told them that I want two, not one.
All right. So Ajay, the character of Police Watches is very similar to your character in the movie. Like it's bold, tough, very macho. So tell us a little bit about your character, Bajirao Singham.
I think the character Bajirao Singham everybody knows about because I hope everybody's seen one, and I hope they all go and see Returns also. And yeah, and this time in one there were no police watches. This has police watches.
Alright, and Karina, did you know that police has recently launched 2 pieces of women's wear, police women's watches, in India for the first time, and they're launching it through the movie. So maybe next time you can tell Saif what gift you want, what brand, the police brand, right? And with that, let's also invite the man behind Singham and Singham Returns and a host of Bollywood hits, the most versatile director India has ever seen, also fondly known as the president of the 100 Crore Club. Let's put our hands together for Rohit Shetty. So Rohit, welcome to the launch event. We also want to know from you, do you love watches?
I do.
You do? What kind of watches do you like to indulge in usually?
At present, I'm in love with police.
Yes, so that was my next question. Why did you choose to associate with police watches for your movie, for Singham Returns?
Especially when they showed us the Protector. I think it's about to launch or it's there in the market. It's very macho. It's like Singham, actually. Singham is about protecting for the good, and so is police watch.
Alright, and yeah, we'd also like to know who's gifted you your favorite watch ever?
I think it's going to happen right now in few moments.
Alright. So yes, another question for all three of you. The song Atamaji Satakli, it's trending all over YouTube and all over, and it's among one of the chart busters right now across the country. How was your experience shooting with 100 kids in police uniforms and also with performing with Yo-Yo Honey Singh? How was your experience, all three of you?
It was her idea. She wanted a yo-yo song in the film, so that's why we did. So you can ask her.
No, I'm a big fan of Honey Singh, and I'm really happy that he's given a song. And what better than a film like Singham Returns?
Ajay, how was your experience with 100 other kids in police uniforms?
I think they were very cute. The kids were very, very cute. And they actually made the song. Everybody, when they watch the video, they talk about the kids. And I was happier that I wasn't dancing in the song.
Alright, so do you have anything planned for us right now?
Yes, we have, and please don't get scared.
Whoa, what's the gun for?
We'll let you know.
एम्बुलेंस बुला के रखी है तो कोई टेंशन नहीं ओके रेडी
Kareena Kapoor Khan.
branding of any particular product, how do you go through the entire thing? Like, you know, it doesn't make it feel कि वो ज़्यादा post नहीं सुनाई दे रहा. रोहित माइक में थोड़ा सा बैठ जाओ ना प्लीज यार, सवाल का जवाब.
माइक दो माइक ले लेना, क्यों ऐसा
है नहीं माइक का.
आ रहा है
रोहित
एक मिनट.
रोहित, जब किसी प्रोडक्ट के साथ एसोसिएशन होता है आपका, तो डू यू रियली पर्टिकुलर मतलब ध्यान रखा जाता है कि वो प्रोडक्ट जब फिल्म में दिखाया जाता है तो बहुत फोर्सफुली नहीं लग रहा है? हाउ हैव यू ट्राइड टू यू नो एक पर्टिकुलर?
वी डू टेक केयर. मतलब मैं खास करके ध्यान रखता हूँ कि मतलब ऐसा नहीं फोर्सफुली नहीं लगे. प्रोडक्ट के लिए भी अच्छा नहीं होता है एंड फॉर द फिल्म आल्सो. सो दैट्स व्हाई वी हैव टेकन केयर ऑफ दैट कि फोर्सफुली नहीं लगे.
तो व्हाट हैव यू टू से अबाउट दिस पर्टिकुलर प्रोडक्ट? मतलब एसोसिएशन जो है इसका, व्हाट मेड यू गो थ्रू? You must have seen the watches and it really goes.
Watches, yeah, definitely you can see this is wearing throughout the film. This and this also, and it's like protector, police, Singham. इससे अच्छा और क्या हो सकता है? You know, Singham से better film क्या हो सकती है पुलिस के लिए, और पुलिस के लिए इससे better film क्या हो सकती है Singham?
अच्छा सर, आपको लगता है कि वॉच पहनने से, घड़ी पहनने से एक एटीट्यूड अलग सा दिखता है? कभी आपने फील किया है?
बिल्कुल. आजकल वक्त देखने के लिए कोई घड़ी नहीं पहनता, क्योंकि वो सबके पास मोबाइल होते हैं उसके ऊपर. तो आई थिंक अच्छी लगती है इसलिए पहनते हैं लोग, और इट गिव्स यू एन एटीट्यूड. एंड जैसा कि रोहित ने कहा कि पुलिस की जो वॉचेस हैं, दे हैव एन एटीट्यूड एंड दे जेल वेरी वेल विद द कैरेक्टर एंड Singham.
Rohit, Chennai Express had a great run at the box office and it completes a year today. Now, would you want Singham Returns to break its box office record?
I wish when you meet me next year, you say Singham Return completes 1 year today. That will be fabulous. I wish it happens, and just pray ke ho. That's it.
Kareena, my question is to you. Recently, Mardani anthem launch के event पे रानी ने एक statement दिया था that Kareena would play a fabulous cop. But when she was asked that मतलब अगर आप कोई movie direct या produce करना चाहेंगी जिसमें Kareena एक female cop play कर रही है, so then she avoided our question.
Sorry, we request you to kindly restrict your questions only to this event today. Any more questions, please?
अजय, कभी ऐसे हुआ है कि आतामजी सडकली ऐसे कभी कोई काम करने के दौरान इस फिल्म में कभी ऐसे आपने कहा anyone, even Kareena, या फिर any memory you can? Hello. क्या गुस्से?
हेलो. नहीं, इस फिल्म के दौरान ऐसा कहीं नहीं हुआ कि आतामजी सडकली, क्योंकि ये फिल्म में जो टीम है वो हमारी इट्स लाइक अ फैमिली. मतलब 20-25 साल से हम लोग साथ में काम कर रहे हैं, और वो टीम को कितने साल हो गए रोहित? 15 साल से ऊपर, तो टीम को भी हो गए ना साथ में. सो इट्स लाइक अ फैमिली. विद बेबो वी बीन वर्किंग सिंस सो मेनी इयर्स, आई हैव नोन हर सिंस सो मेनी इयर्स. तो यहाँ पे सटकी नहीं.
कभी ड्यूरिंग योर प्रोफेशनल वर्क, नॉट इन दिस फिल्म, कभी ऐसे कोई
ऐसे बहुत बार हुआ है, और पहले ज्यादा हुआ करता था, अब इतना नहीं होता.
Kareena, what have you to say?
नहीं, जैसे अजय ने कहा, I don't think on the set there's ever been. रोहित शेट्टी की फिल्म है तो impossible है कि दिमाग सटक सकता है, because the way he's so calm and we have so much fun that it's impossible to get upset at any point.
Kareena, what do you have to say about the controversy that is surrounding Saif's Padma Shri issue?
Again, I request you to kindly restrict to only this event.
I would like to answer.
Okay.
Which is the government has already issued a letter, and they have written that they are not taking the Padma Shri back because it was given to him 3-4 years ago, and this case, the verdict is also not out. So they themselves have, I think the media should have already received this letter, because it's already out everywhere, it's out on the internet, that they are not revoking the Padma Shri to do it.
फाइनल नंबर तो पता नहीं है, बट या nearly 4,000 hopefully.
All right, one last question.
फिल्म को 4 स्टार तो दिए हैं, 4 स्टार है, अभी 5वें स्टार. माइक क्या कह रहे हो?
देखिए, वो 4 स्टार हमने नहीं दिए. वो एक्चुअली हम अपनी छोटी सी एक गलती मानते हैं कि वो जो हमारे डिजाइनर है, उन्होंने वो पुलिस के स्टार दिए थे. तो you feel free to give us half star or one. नहीं भी देंगे तो चलेगा, no problem.
Rohit, back. Yeah. Rohit, how important is in-film branding nowadays going on?
It's very important. It's very important. It helps the product also. It helps us also in promoting the film in a nice way, in a different way. So it's good, I think.
So commercially, isn't the actors and actresses also benefited, or only the movie is benefited?
Only the movie, yeah. Only the movie.
Okay.
Commercially, बिचारे actors को थोड़ी.
So just
अभी planning चल रहा है. अभी nothing is finalized yet. Nothing is finalized.
सर किसी भी सक्सेसफुल फ्रेंचाइजी को जिस तरह से अभी सिंघम आई थी और सिंघम रिटर्न्स अब आ रही है, कितना प्रेशर आप फील करते हैं उस फिल्म के सक्सेस को लेके?
I'm not pressurized at all. आप देख सकते हैं. It's like मेहनत करना पड़ता है आपको लिखते वक्त, बनाते वक्त, and then rest you leave it to the audience and to God. They will decide.
ओके सर, वन मोर लास्ट क्वेश्चन, कितना इंपॉर्टेंट होता है किसी भी ब्रांड से, व्हाट यू थिंक कि किस तरह से व्हाट यू लुक इन द ब्रांड, जिस तरह से आपकी क्रेडिबिलिटी उस ब्रांड से जुड़ती है?
ब्रांड क्या है सबसे इम्पोर्टेंट, एंड स्पेशली इफ यू टॉक अबाउट पुलिस, as I said earlier also, कि सिंघम से बेटर और क्या हो सकता है पुलिस के लिए, और पुलिस से बेटर और क्या हो सकता है सिंघम के लिए. सो इट शुड जेल. दैट्स द मोस्ट इम्पोर्टेंट थिंग. अभी हगी पैम्पर्स अगर आ जाए सिंघम में तो कैसा लगेगा? जस्ट इमेजिन.
All right, thank you very much for your questions. I request our guests to kindly stand for a photo of with your watches, please. Just
Please don't stand.